to ARC Tutorials. Today we will learn how can we customize our YouTube channel. That's right. So this tutorial will help you to customize your YouTube channel, add more sections, arrange them in a different order. So let's learn all about how do we arrange the channel. So my channel is ARC Tutorials. If you like the videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so first thing, you need to navigate to my channel, so which will bring you to your page. Then click on customize channel. So once you click on customize channel, you would see different options that you would see here, that whether you want to do it for the returning subscribers or you want to do it for new subscribers. If it's a new visitors on your channel, you can add a small channel trailer. I will cover that in the next tutorial, but for now we are focusing on the returning subscribers and the way they will see the content. You would see that these are the recent uploads on my channel. You will also see an option called add a section. Now these are the important things to customize your YouTube channel. So click on add a section and it will tell you what select content, which means what content you want to show. You want to show popular uploads, liked videos, posted videos, live, upcoming. So you have different playlists, channels, subscriber activities. What do you want to show on your channel page when the returning subscribers come? So I am selecting popular uploads, and then it would tell you these are some of the popular uploads on my channel. It would ask you the way you want to display them. Do you want to display them horizontally or you want to display them vertically? So looks good, right? So I'm selecting vertical so that it's more readable for the user, and I'm click on done. So this will save it on my channel. You can see it's saved. Similarly, you can go on, create new section, liked videos, you can create playlist. I am going to show you how to create a playlist in a separate tutorial, but for now just go ahead, keep adding sections, fill out your channel, make it look beautiful, and stay tuned for more tutorials. In the next tutorial I am covering how to create playlists that you can share. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.